In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack group. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or removing outdated channels, this straightforward process will help you accomplish that in no time. Now let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Slack website, which serves as your gateway to managing your Slack workspaces. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look for the Sign In button. If you usually access it using Google, you can streamline the process by clicking on Sign In with Google. This route is not only convenient but also quick, especially if you've integrated your Google account with Slack. With your credentials verified and you being logged in, your next destination is the Slack dashboard. Think of this as your command center where all your channels, direct messages, and workspaces are laid out for ease of access. Here, you should locate the specific channel you wish to delete. Once in the dashboard, navigate to the channel list on the sidebar and click on the desired channel you no longer need. This action will open up the chat interface for that particular channel. Pay attention to the details here, as it's crucial you select the correct channel to avoid accidental deletions. After selecting your channel, look towards the top of the interface where you'll find a few additional options. Spot the option labelled View All Members and click on it. Accessing the member list is a significant step since it offers transparency and insights into who has access and potentially needs to be informed about the upcoming deletion. Now, continue by seeking out the Settings tab. Inside here, several administrative options are neatly tucked away. As you explore these settings, stay focused on what you need right now, the final action to say goodbye to this channel. Finally, you'll see an option indicating Delete this channel. Click on it. This step is definitive, so ensure you've confirmed that no critical information is being lost or that your new workspace setup is in place. It's always a good idea to notify other team members or archive valuable discussions if necessary. Once you click on delete, a confirmation prompt might appear asking you to verify this decision. Confirming this will successfully remove the channel from your Slack workspace, helping you maintain a tidy and organized digital environment. And there you have it, your channel is deleted, making way for a more streamlined workspace. I hope you found this guide as straightforward and efficient as promised. If you have any other questions or need help with different features, feel free to check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.